Hi, I'm Robert. Welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop. Before you begin any repair, unplug the appliance from the wall outlet. It is also recommended that you check for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. The tool you'll need to complete this repair will be a number 2 Phillips driver or drill. Today we're working on a Hotpoint refrigerator. We've determined that the Icemaker has a bad motor in it. We're going to replace the Icemaker altogether. To do this, you must first remove the ice bucket from beneath the Icemaker. Now we'll remove the 2 screws holding the Icemaker in place. Your number 2 Phillips. Now that our screws are removed, we'll set the Icemaker on the shelf and we'll unplug the Molex plug. It has 2 straps that snap onto little catch clips. So you want to pull those out and pull the Molex straight out. And your Icemaker is removed. Now that we have a new Icemaker, let's go ahead and install it. First, what we're going to do is get our screws in loosely. Just put them in by hand. So that way they're sticking out well enough that you can get these tabs, these mounting tabs over them. Now, we're going to plug in the Icemaker and bring the back of the Icemaker up so that the fill cup goes under the water tube, and then rotate the Icemaker out a bit, raise it up over the screws, and let it drop down. Now we'll take our driver and tighten down the 2 number 2 Phillips screws. And your Icemaker is installed. Turn it on, and that completes the repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.